Good morning, everybody. In the last class, we started developing a demographic table. So there is a table we try to generate, and to do this one, I told you we need to have a source data set. The source data set is the area cell. So in the area cell, I told you need to identify which level that you require to get this table, and then which population that you should have. And most of the time, the tag is going to suggest the subject demographics and case characteristics, and I want to have a safety population. So you know the safety population which is safe eligible must be wide. We need to have a demographic and case characteristics. And I told you we need to have a age, sex, ethnicity, race, treatment variable, use subject ID, and a safety flag. So with that variable we have created a data set in the work library, and then in that we have a treatment variable. In the treatment variable we have two types of treatments, TP004 and the placebo. And we will not have overall. To get the overall, we need to duplicate the observations. So each subject must participate in his own treatment and overall also. So we have duplicated observation by using output statement, and we use that data set to get this, the first part of the table. So this is what we have done in the last class. So first we created a library, and then we created a data set called area cell with all the required variables. Then we duplicated the observations, and we put that information in a data set called TM. And with all the required variables. Then we duplicated the observations, and we put that information in a data set called TM. And then we started using that variable. Now we use the properties to get all the descriptive statistics. Then later, we have combined concatenated mean and standard deviation as one value, minimum and maximum one value, and we have used it proper decimal values. And then we have an horizontal manner. We changed that into vertical, and then we created a dummy variable, dummy data set which contains the age label, and then we concatenated 4, and again, we kept the required values, and that is how we have created a data set called age 4. In the age 4, we have the final data like this. This is what we have done in the last class. This is what we have done in the last class. Okay. And then after that, so in this table, now I want to do this part. How we can do this part now? If you want to do this part, which variable we have to take for analysis purpose? Sex variable. And what kind of analysis you want to have? Counts and percentages. If you want to have a count and percentage, what is the procedure I should use? Log frequency. Log frequency. Now I want to use log frequency on sex variable. So I'm going to do second variable analysis. Now I'm getting what is the variable? Sex variable analysis. Now, which data set contains the duplicated observations? In the area which data set we have the duplicated observations? In the TM, I'm going to take the TM data set now. So if you want to have a frequency constant percentage, we are going to take a block frequency. Data is equal to the data set name. The data set name is TM. Okay. Now, if you want to have a frequency constant percentage for any specific variable, what is the statement you should write? You should write the table. In the table statement, I'm getting a variable name called sex. And by the way, I want to have frequency constant percentage for sex variable, but again, it's for which variable? Treatment variable. So now what is the treatment variable that we have because of 01. By default, we are going to get the report. So if you specify the two variables, you are going to get two-way table in output window. Now this is how we are going to get. We are going to get frequency percentage, we are going to get the row percentage and the column percentage. But this information is not important for me. So I want to save that information in the data set. If you want to save that information in the data set, what is the option you should write now? So in the table statement, out is equal to, I'm writing a variable name, sex1. And by the way, I do not want to have anything in output window. I'm going to specify an option called no print option. So no print option is going to suppress printing of output, but information will be saved in the data set. Now, if I do the program, now in the work library, we are going to have a sex1 variable, and this is something. So female overall, female placebo, male, 100 mg, male overall, male placebo. Now, the table that I want to have, this is information that we have. Do you know how many overall students we have? Sorry, overall patients that we have? Total how many subjects we have? In our area set?
Total 6.
6, right? Now, out of 6, can you tell me how many females that we have?
2.
2. Okay. Now, 2 divided by 6 is equal to what is the percentage? Anybody? That is exactly 2 divided by 6 into 100. Of course, you can is equal to what is the percentage? 33.3. 33.3. Can you see this one? 33.3. But what is the percentage that we have here? What is the percentage that we have?
16.
How many females are there in the placebo? I'll open the area 1 data set. How many females are there in the placebo treatment?
2.
2 divided by, total how many members are in the placebo?
3.
2 divided by 3 is equal to what is the percentage you should get?
0.3.
If I say 2 divided by 3, 66. It has to be 66%, isn't it? 66%. But what is the percentage I'm getting here? Can you see this one?
2.
Male placebo. 60%. That means whatever the percentage we are getting here, this percentage is calculating for 12 observations. Because in the TM data set, how many observations we have?
5.
Duplicated, we have 12 observations. Now, what it is doing, it is calculating 2 divided by 12, 2 divided by 12, 3 divided by 12, 4 divided by 12, and 1 divided by 12. So that means whatever the percentage we are getting here, this is not a true actual percentage. If you want to calculate the overall percentage, females in overall 2 divided by 6, and female placebo 2 divided by 3, male 100 mg 3 divided by 3, because we have total 3 members in 100 mg, all the 3 members are males only, and overall again 4 divided by 6, and male placebo 1 divided by 3. That is what we need to count. That means whatever the percentage we are getting through drop frequency, this is not a true percentage. So that's why I want to drop that percentage variable. If you want to drop the percentage variable, what we need to do? Out is equal to 6, open analysis. Drop is equal to what is the variable I do not want to have? Percent. I'm dropping that variable. Now select the program executed. The percent variable will be dropped. Now we are going to have only this information. Now, if you want to have a percentage of females in overall, I need to do it by 2 divided by 6. to have female placebo 2 divided by 3. Male 100 mg BP double 3 divided by 3. And overall 4 divided by 6. Male placebo 1 divided by 3. So here I want to have a value 6. Here I want to have value 3. Here I want to have 3. So 4. Here I want to have a 6. Here I want to have a 3. So I want to create a variable. Here I want to have in the first observation 6, second observation 3, third observation 3, fourth observation 6, and the fifth observation I want to have 3. How to get that one? So that means what I want to do, I want to get how many subjects are there in the placebo. We have 3, I want to get the 3. How many subjects are there? 3, 3, 0, 4, 3, 5. We have 3 subjects, I want to get that one. How many subjects are there in overall? And overall is equal to I want to get the 6.
6.
To get this information, what we need to do, we need to count the TM1 subject. Wherever we have the TM, we need to count this TM. Now in that, we need to count how many 100 mg that we have, how many placebo that we have, how many overall that we have. To count that information, the best thing that we can do is the progress scale. And by the way, I want to have dynamically this information. So what I'm going to do, we have a way called like an into-colon macro variable. Into-colon is a clause that we use in progress scale to get the macro variable in progress scale. I want to use this concept. Now I'm writing like this one. Talk STF. Now I'm going to select count of distinct. How many subjects that we have? USUP JID. Into-colon. I want to have macro variable of male name, for example, count 1. I'll write, for example, PRT1, treatment 1. From which data set? From the DM data set. Now I'm writing where PRT01A is equal to, I want to create this macro variable for the first treatment, the first treatment that we have, let's say, for example, 100 mg BP004. I want to create a second variable. I'm writing select count of distinct USUBJID into colon. I want to have a second variable treatment 2 from which data set? From DM data set, where PRT01A is equal to placebo. I'm copying that one and I'm going to paste over here. I'm writing selected count of distinct U subject ID into colon PRT3 from which data set? From DM data set, where PRT01A is equal to overall. So I created 3 macro variables now. Okay. So I want to check all the 3 macro variables are created or not. Where we can check whether macro variable values in the log window. If you want to see in the log window, what are the statements you should write now?
Percentage code.
Ampersand PRT1, ampersand PRT2, and ampersand PRT3.
0 1 0 1.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, my God.
Okay, I do not want to print anything in output window. I'm going to select the appropriate option, select the program executed. Now, if I go to the log window, now we have double digit for 3 numbers, let's say 3 numbers, and overall 6 numbers. Now, I want to use these variables to create a denominator. So, because this data set requires a denominator 2 divided by 3, so 2 divided by 6, 2 divided by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 6, 1 by 3. Take this as an enumerator. Now, I want to have a denominator. To get the denominator, now write the program. Now, so far we have a sex1 data set. I'm creating a new data set called sex2 data. I'm creating a sex2 data set, sex1. Now, this is a sex1 data set. Now, this is what the condition I'm going to write. If PRT01A is equal to overall, then I want to create a variable called denom. Denom is equal to what the variable that we have, macro variable that we have created for the overall?
PRT2.
PRT3. If PRT01A is equal to placebo, then denom is equal to ampersand
PRT2.
PRT2. If PRT01A is equal to all done,
100 mg. 100 mg.
then denom is equal to what do you want to write? Ampersand
PRT1.
PRT1. Okay, I'm selecting the program equal to the program. We are going to have a sex2 data set. If I open the sex2 data set, now can you see? Yes, we have a denom. Now tell me if you want to know that what is the percentage of females in overall treatment. What I should do? I should say 2 divided by 6 into 100. So tell me how we can do that one. Now I want to calculate the percentage. So percent is equal to, I'll make it PCT is equal to internal count divided by 3 into 100. Now we are going to have a new variable called PCT. In PCT, I have percentage. But I do not want to have these many decimals. According to specification, how many decimals you want to have percentage? We have require only one. How only 1 percentage, what do you want me to do?
0.1.
And of course, I have a percentage I want to convert that into character book of. Now I'm going to take this entire thing as 1 argument. Can I write 4.1? I'm writing a 4. I'm going to have a sex2 variable. Yes, we got. But the problem is when we have a 100, so we are not getting the complete data. Now, can I write a 5.1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have. Okay. Now, this is what we want to have. I want not only I want to have percentage. What I want to have a count also. And by the way, when I want to have a counter percentage must be present within
Parenthesis.
So how we can do that? So do that one. I want to concatenate left parenthesis here. So right symbol. On the right side, I want to concatenate the right parenthesis.
Right parenthesis.
And before that, what I want to have? I want to have a
Counter.
marketing. Without where we have the count information, we have that information in a variable called count.
Counter.
I think it's 2 dot. Z 2 dot. Select the program equal to the program. Now I'm going to have a sex2. Can you see? Yes, we got it. Now we do not require count and denom. What I can do now? I can drop count and denom. Pop, count, denom. Yes. But this is my requirement. I want to have male and female one after the other. I want to have B0 value, placebo value, and overall value horizontally, but here we have in a vertical manner. If you want to have a horizontal manner, what do we need to do?
Transpose.
Transpose what syntax do you want to generate? Dot transpose.
Data is equal to data sequence.
Out is equal to sex3. Which elements I want to transpose?
Percentage.
CCD. So where BCD? By which level I need to transpose?
CRT01.
By
By 76.
by sex variable. And the ID statement should contain which level because I want to have these values as a variable names. So in ID statement, CRT01A. So I wanted to bisect. If you wanted to bisect, what we should we need to sort.
Block sort procedure.
I'm writing a block sorter. Okay. Data is equal to what is the data that we have? Sex2. And the by which variable? By sex variable. So select the program into the program. We have sorted data. Now I'm using that one in transpose. Block transpose. Data is equal to sex2. Out is equal to I'm writing sex3. Back. Which level I want to transpose?
Percentage.
Okay. By which variable? By sex variable. In ID statement, we are
CRT01.
I'm selecting the program, including the program. Now this is solving. We are going to have a sex3 data set, and this is solving. What variable we do not require now?
Underscore name underscore.
Name underscore. I want to drop that variable. If you want to drop that variable, out is equal to sex3. Open the parentheses, so drop is equal to underscore name underscore. That variable will be get dropped, and this is solving. This is what we require. What do you want to say? Want to say anything?
First we should get names before we do.
You should have not a male, yes, as a female, and I want to have male observation first, then the female observation. And by the way, we do not have a female 100 mg combination. If you do not have a combination, we should have a zeros at least. You should not have a blank space. Okay, so we need to have a proper order males first and females later. And then I do not want to have a missing value here. I want to have a 0, 0, open the parenthesis 0, 0, dot 0. What is that? How do we do that? Yeah, for female can be covering, male can be covering, male first covering, female covering, yes, sir. How do we get it?
Create another variable and sort by.
Data, I'm creating a sex4 data set. Set from here, I'm creating this one, sex3. Now, if sex is equal to, actually, yeah, then I want to do two things. So sex is equal to what I want to have. I want to have female, but sorting, I'm going to create one more or the intermediate variable called word date in what I'm writing to. And I'm writing, and because I want to have males first. I'm writing else if sex is equal to capital M, then to what I want to do. So sex is equal to how I want to have male, and what is equal to how I want to have what. I'm writing. I think there is length is not enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the length statement, but sex variable, character male, I'm giving the length statement. I'm writing run semicolon. So select the program, include the program. We are going to have a sex4 data set. Now open the sex4 data set. Now this is solving. Then tell me what you should do. Male is defining already. Found and percentage. Okay. If you want to have that one, now what we have done in the previous age variable?
We have created another variable.
Male data set and we concatenated, right? Now data, and this time I'm writing sex label data set. Now, what is the variable name I should have? If you want to concatenate about this one, variable name is sex. Again, I'm writing sex is equal to how I want to have it.
Gender. Then plus.
Small n. I want to have a square brackets. Within the square brackets, small n, and within the normal brackets, percentage. And then I want to have a superfix. The superfix I'm going to use so far, but the time being I'm going to use a stop symbol.
Outside the.
We'll tell you how to get the superfix later. But anyway, here what is the length of the section that we have? Here also I should have the proper length. So here itself what I'm going to write now, length of statement for which you will sex variable order. This the length is going to be uniform. You will not get any falling in the loss. Now we have enough length. Tell me what you want me to do. Now data, I want to create a new data set called, say, for example, sex final. Now, what do I write now? Set. What I want to have? I want to have a sex label. And then I want to have a sex.
4.
So select the program executed. Now we are going to have a data set called sex final. Now this is solving. Tell me what should I do now? I want to have a something. How to get the space? Remember what we have done?
By writing if condition and using number of
Condition different. Underscore n underscore greater than 1. Then sex is equal to. Remember how many spaces we have kept?
3 spaces.
1, 2, 3 spaces. Now that symbol 6. Yes, we have. Then by the way, I want to have a zeros. At least if you do not have a combination, I want to have zeros. Now tell me what I should write now. If what is the variable name that we have?
100.
Take the variable name. Is equal to missing.
Well, then
Is equal to. How many I want to have this way. Select the program, execute the program. Close the data set and execute the program. Now we have sex final like this one. What is the problem we have?
drop order.
You should not record this here, no?
Rename.
Only here. What I should do?
Not equal to missing one.
Greater than 1 and missing 1. Now we are going to have only this. And now I want to sort the data. By which way I need to sort the data? You should not sort it. Okay, we'll do that. Now I'm writing block sort. Data is equal to which data set? Sex final. Right? What? And by the way, I want to have out is equal to sex final only. Then top is equal to what?
Over the
Can you see? Now we have the data. Get everybody so far? Now, since we have done with the sex variable, then what the next we should do? We should do ethnicity. Then race. The same program. So we should do now for the ethnicity and then we should put the race. Okay? Tell me if you want to do that one. Now I want to do the analysis. I will do one thing. Here I create this X final. Somewhere here, what is the test we have created age for? No, is the age for what I'm going to do? I will get age final. I want to create a uniform variables. Age final. I want to have ethnic variable analysis. Okay, if you want to do ethnic variable analysis, what is the analysis we should again? We want to have counts and percentages. How we can do it?
Frequency.
Tell me, proc, frequency, data is equal to TM. I do not want to have any print and open option. Variables, a statement for each variable, ethnic variable, into which variable, PRT 01K. Forward slash, out is equal to, I want to have a data set name, ethnic 1. Now we are getting a run statement. Now we do the program. Now we are going to have a data set called ethnic 1. Now what we do not require from this data set? We do not require the percentage. If we do not want to have the percentage variable, what we need to do? We have to drop out 0%. 1. Drop is equal to percentage. Right now we have ethnic 1 data set. Tell me what rate. Now data, I'm creating a data set called ethnic 2. So from where I'm creating this one, I'm creating from the ethnic. Okay. Then what should I do? Now we have enumerator. What we need to have? We need to have a denominator. If you want to have denominator, tell me what the program we should write. If already we have no PRK01A is equal to 150. Okay. Now then denominator is equal to what the value we have created, remember? Ampersand PRT1. If PRT01A is equal to, let's go. What is the macro variable that we have?
Ampersand PRT2.
And denom is equal to ampersand PRT2. If PRT01A is equal to overall, then denom is equal to ampersand PRT3. Now we are going to have a variable called denom. Now tell me what we should do now? We should create percentage. Now I'm creating a PCT is equal to engine level pound divided by
Denominator 100.
and by the way, we do not require those many decimals. So remember what we have done in the past? Put off, take this entire thing, comma, 5 dot. And then remember what we have concatenated to that one? We have concatenated parenthesis, double parenthesis symbol, and we have concatenated right parenthesis. And then before that, what we have done, remember? Put off, pound, comma, z, 2 dot, double parenthesis. And we got it. Now what we do not require now? We do not require, since we do not require, I'm going to take the drop, pound,
Denom.
now we have that one. So this is how we have the data, but this is how we require. What I should do?
Transpose.
We should transpose. What is the program we should write? Raw transpose. Data is equal to ethnic 2. Out is equal to ethnic 3. Which way I want to transpose that?
Percentage. By 3.
PRT01A by ethnic. So if you want to do that one, first of all, what we need to do? Proc sort. Data is equal to ethnic 2. Which variable? Ethnic variable. Now tell me what we write now? Raw transpose. Data is equal to ethnic 2. Out is equal to ethnic 3. That PCT by ethnic ID PRT01A. Now we have ethnic 3, and now this is how we have. We require everything except underscore name. So here, drop is equal to underscore name underscore. So we do the program, underscore name underscore is dropped, and then we have. And in the data set also, in the table also, we want to have Hispanic or Latino first, not Hispanic or Latino later. So we have in the same order, but we want to have only the properties. And before that, what I want to have? I want to have ethnicity in the percentage. So I want to have a label. Tell me if you want to get the label in the past, what we have done?
Created in the label.
I'm creating a data set called ethnic label. Right? Ethnic is equal to ethnicity. And then square brackets, small n, outer brackets, percentage symbol, and then after that, reverse cup, because I'm going to use in future reverse cup for some other purpose, I'm going to put that in the comment. But here there is a chance of having length mismatches. So what I'm going to do, here I'm writing length statement for ethnic. So I'm going to give $50 because every time I want to give an uniform length. And here also, what I want to do, I want to give the same length. From here itself, I'm writing the same length. Now, since we have same length, what we can do? Now I want to concatenate data. I want to have ethnic final setup, ethnic label, and then ethnic 3, right? Here. Select the program, equal the program. Now we are going to have ethnic final, and yes, we have. Now what we require? I want to have some space. I want to have a properties. Tell me what you want me to do. If underscore greater than 1, then ethnic is equal to how many spaces I want to have? 1, 2, 3 spaces. Double type symbol. Objects of you want to do the base variable analysis. How to do the base variable analysis? Same analysis, no? Yeah, so what I want to have? I want to have counts and percentages.
Okay, sir.
Tell me what the program I should write now. Crop frequency. Data is equal to TM.
Okay.
I do not want to have any print, no print. Table statement. Base into PRT. Okay. And I'm writing down. By the way, I want to have analysis into a data set. Out is equal to base 1. And what we do not require?
Percent.
Equal to percentage. In the program executed. Now we are going to have base 1. Now tell me what I should do. Again, we should create a denominator. Now data, I want to create a base 2. Say from where I want to create base 1. Tell me if TRT018 is equal to, then denom is equal to ampersand TRT1. Or if you want to keep, not required. If TRT018 is equal to, let's go. Denom is equal to ampersand TRT2. If TRT018 is equal to overall. Then denom is equal to ampersand TRT3. What do you call me? Select the program executed. We are going to have a raise 2, and this is how we come. Now tell me what we need to do. We want to have a percentage. And I want to count 10%. Tell me what I do. Now I'm writing PCT. First of all, I'm writing count divided by denom into 100. Then what we need to do? We have to get the only character, only one decimal put of 5.1. And then after that, what we need to do?
Left and right parenthesis, concatenate with left and right parenthesis.
Concatenate parenthesis. Then double type symbol. And then I want to concatenate right parenthesis. And then what to do? Put off count, comma, get the
Two dot, two dot.
and what we do not require anymore now?
Count and denom. Count.
Yes, we have raised 2 and we have lengths. But we have in vertical manner, we want to have in a horizontal manner. So, sort data is equal to base 2 by base. The data has been sorted at the base. Then what we should know? Dot transpose. Data is equal to raise 2, out is equal to raise 3 by raise variable, which will I want to transpose back to PPT, ID, TRT01. Now we have a raise. We do not require underscore name underscore. I'm going to crop that. Copy equal underscore name underscore. Now this is what we have. This is what we require. Can you see? In our data, how many races we have? Yes, you have. But how many races they have in the motion? 6 combinations, but we have only 2 combinations. You know what we should do in real time? If you do not have all the combinations, but you should print all the combinations, since we do not have those combinations, we should print zeros. Data leader, you print zeros. We should print all the combinations, but if you do not have that in our data, we should print zeros. Because I'm generating this report just only after the start of 1 month of my treatment. Maybe in future I'm going to enroll few more new subjects. So maybe those subjects may have different races. Okay, so we should write a code in such a way that we should understand for the future purpose also. Okay, now how to do that one? I do not want to have. I didn't have that the remaining 4 combinations. How to get the 4 combinations? Understand my question? Like Asian, white, white Asian, down the Indian, or black or African American, American Indian, or Alaska Native, Native Hawaiian, or other Pacific Islander, and I want to have other also. But we do not have that combination. How to get the combination in the case? Give a solution how to get it.
By creating another data set and join.
You should create it. How to get that one?
Race equals to black or African American. Then output statement. After that, race equals to American Indian or Alaska Native. Output.
Okay. So the same answer you want me to write an output statement?
Yes.
Okay. Data. Race 3. Set. Race 3. Or do you want the race 4 here? Output. Race is equal to black or African American. Output.
Race equals to
Race is equal to American Indian or Alaska Native.
Alaska Native.
Output.
Race equals to
Race is equal to Native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islander. Output.
race equals to other.
Race is equal to other.
But here we get only race 1 here, sir.
Others are going to have the same values will be repeated. Length, base, dollar. You know, when we have others, do we have others data? but the other one we have. What happened? Correct. Can you see? We got it. But you know the problem with this program is in future lo నాకు వేరే కాంబినేషన్ రిజిస్టర్ చేయడం పని అవుతుంది. If in future if I have native Hawaiian or Pacific Island వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, what is going to happen? We are going to have 0 zeros only, which is not a good sign, isn't it? In future like a combination race వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, if I got the race combination, it automatically get updated, no? But since I'm hardcoding here, what happens? I get only 0 zeros. Understand what I'm saying? So then what we should do? I cannot write output statement like this one. Did you understand what is the possible what you call problem that we have here? If I do like this one, in future, if I have a new combination of American Indian or Alaska Native, if I got the subjects with this race, what values I'm going to have? Since I have given the 0 zeros, it is going to be 0 zeros. You should not be like that. So you should not write it this way. Then what I should do? Now what is the plan is, here I'm going to create a dummy data set, and then I will update the dummy data set with my race 3 data set. Now first of all, how to create a dummy data set? Data, dummy. You know, in the dummy data set, I want to have the same variables of this one, race. I want to have the same variables. To have the same variables, I'm writing proc contains. Data is equal to race 3 short data.
Data is equal to race 3.
I'm using an input statement. In the input statement, these are the variables I want to have. Race must be a character variable, and this is also I want to have it as a character variable. Overall also I want to have a character variable, and then specific also I want to have it as a character variable. Then what I should do? I'm writing the data range. Okay. In the data range, so to avoid unnecessary problem, what I'm going to do? I want to use this method. Can somebody tell me what is this method?
Named input method.
Named input method variable. Now in the named input method, how the data is going to come? Every time we are going to have a race is equal to race star. Already we have a race 3 with us. I'm going to take a Gaussian. And overall is equal to the value. Here also I'm going to take a 0, 0. So because I want to take dummy values, then the placebo. And here also I'm going to take the same value. Like this. I have created a dummy record. Now the second record I'm creating is a white. The third record I want to have it as a black. The fourth record I want to have it as an American. Fifth record I want to have it as a native. And the sixth record I want to have other. Now I created a dummy data set now. I want to have a proper length for all the 4 variables, so that I'm using a length statement. All the 4 variables I want to have a $50, so that we are going to have enough length. And I'm creating a dummy data set. Where we have the dummy data set? Here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to update my data set with the dummy data set. Right now what is the data set that we have? Race 3. Now data is 4. Modify. Which data set that I want to dummy data set with? Race 3. I'll update, not modify. So we cannot get a new data set. Now update. What is the problem with sorry, y common variable. It's the representation of linear crop sort. Data is equal to race 3 by race
Dummy.
Can you see? Where we have the data, we have the values. Where we do not have the data, we are going to have zeros. This is the data we have created, but do you have American there? How we have in the data?
American Indian or
How to get that one? Can you use this condition? We can apply